Hello friends, good morning. Today we will continue with the income tax next series, that is the income tax act 2025, and what the different sections or subsection says and definition says about the income tax act 2025. This is the new act of the income tax. This replaced the income tax act 1961, and this is the income tax act 1960. 2025. So dividend include what the dividend includes. Dividend includes any distribution by the company of accumulated profit, whether capitalized or not. If the such distribution entails the release by the company or to its shareholders of all or any part of the assets of the company. Any distribution to the shareholders by the company of the ventures, debenture stocks, deposit certificates in any form without interest, and any distribution to its preference shareholders of any share by way of bonus to the extent to which the company possesses accumulated profits, whether capitalized or not. Any distribution made to the shareholders of company on its liquidation to the extent to which liquidation is attributable to the accumulated profit of the company immediately before its liquidation, whether capitalized or not. Any distribution to its shareholders by the company on a reduction of its capital to the extent to which the company possesses accumulated profit, whether capitalized or not. Any payment by the company not being the company in which the publics are substantially interested, or any sum, whether as representing a part of the asset of the company or otherwise, and as an advance or loan to the shareholder being a person who is the beneficial owner of the shares, not being the shares entitled to the fixed rate of dividend without right to participate in the profit, holding not less than 10% of the voting power. An asset as an advance or loan to the any concern in which the such shareholder is a member or a partner, and in which he has a substantial interest, herein referred to as the said concern, or made on the behalf or for the individual benefit of any such shareholder, to the extent to which the company in either case possesses accumulated profit, but does not include distribution made under subclause C and D in respect of any share issued for fresh consideration, where the holder of the share is not entitled in the event of liquidation to participate in the surplus assets. Any advance or loan made to the shareholder, the said concern by a company in the ordinary course of its business, where the lending of the money is a substantial part of the business of the company. Any dividend paid by the company which is set off by the company against the whole or in part of the any sum previously paid by it, and treated as a dividend within the meaning of subclause E to the extent to which it is set off. Any distribution of the shares pursuant to the demerger by the resulting company to the shareholders of the demerged company, whether or not there is a reduction of the capital in the demerged company. Any advance or loan between the two group entities, where one group entity is a finance company or a finance unit, in the other group entity to the transaction is located in the country or territory outside India, and the parent the principal entity of such group is listed on the stock exchange in the country or territory outside India for the purpose of the item B and C in the country or territory outside India shall be specifically specified by the central government by notification. Accumulated profit for the purposes of subclause A, B, C, D, E shall include all the profits of the company up to the date of distribution of payment referred to in subclauses. Clause C, subclause C shall include all the profits of the company up to the date of liquidation, but shall not where the liquidation is consequent to the compulsory acquisition of its undertaking by the government or corporation owned or controlled by the government under any law in force, including profits of the company before three successive tax years immediately preceding the tax year in which such acquisition took place, and in respect of the amalgamated company, and the amalgamated profit of whether capitalized or not, or loss, or the case may be, shall be the increase by the accumulated profits whether capitalized or not of the amalgamated company on the date of amalgamation. Concerns mean the Hindu and David family, or the form or the association of the portion of both the body of individual or a company. Person shall be deemed to have a substantial interest in the concern other than a company if it is at any time during the tax year beneficial beneficially entitled to not less than 20% of the income of the such concern. For the purpose of the subclause E, 5 finance company, the finance unit shall have the same meaning as respectively assigned to them in Regulation 2(1), clause E and F of the International Financial Service Centers Authority Finance Company Regulation 2021 made under the International Financial Services Center Authority Act 2019, and is set up as a global and regional corporate treasury center for undertaking treasury activity or treasury activity as per the relevant regulation made by the International Financial Services Center Authority established under Section 4 of the SAD Act. Group entity shall have the same meaning as assigned to the expression group entity in clause M of subregulation 1 of regulation 2 of the International Financial Service Authority Payment Service Regulation 2024 made under the International Financial Service Center Authority Act 2019. A parent entity or the principal entity in relation to one or more other group entities shall be an entity of which other the group entity are the subsidiary, and such entity exercises or control more than one half of total voting power, either as its own or together with one or more of its subsidiaries. Control the composition of the board of directors. So this series we have discussed the dividend of the Income Tax Act 2025, and if you have any inquiry on the topic of dividend or definition given in the Income Tax 2025, please let us know. We will come back with a new video or make a fresh explanation what the actually dividend is. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and forward this video to family and friends, and because such type of video you receive in the future also. Thank you in this video, and for being remaining in the last of the video is very much important. So thank you for watching till now. Thank you.